So this right here was a clear swing trade of at least, let's say we will protect our trade below this low just to make sure, okay? At least 1 to 3 risk reward, but it's a swing trade and we could actually refine this level till a lower time frame and look for entries on a lower time frame exactly right here and take a bigger, a huge risk reward trade based on what we saw on the weekly time frame. So Bank Nifty. Someone asked me if we can trade this stock using smart money concepts, and I'm here to show you that every single asset, every single index, every single stock respect the rules of supply and demand. Actually, the whole market move on this way. So I'm here today to show to you how could you trade Bank Nifty using smart money concept strategy I used to trade, okay? And it's very simple. I will try to make it the easiest possible, to understand, so you guys can, take some value from that. So right now I'm on daily time frame, but let's go to the weekly time frame just to show to you some correlation, or better show to you the price action of Bank Nifty respecting demand levels because it's on a bullish trend, okay? If the rules of the market as a whole. So here you guys can see this is probably during 2020. Yeah, 2020. The crisis we had there. YouTube don't like when we talk too much about it, so I won't even mention. But yeah, let's say right here, we start a bullish trend, okay? Because I can see clearly here, we made this chalk, so we can actually use this. Sorry, we made this internal break of structure, so you can use this as a starting point. So here we have one internal break of structure, and with that we can actually start to look for demand levels. Price here never reached enough to tap on the demand level, but that's not a problem at all. Here we made another break of structure, and then here we made break of structure also from the structure that was from this high to this low, okay? After that, actually, we have also this push right here. But remember, we broke structure here, so this right here is a demand level. And here you guys can see clearly the first time we can see Bank Nifty respecting demand level and going up. So this right here was a clear swing trade of at least, let's say we will protect our trade below this low just to make sure, okay? At least 1 to 3 risk reward, but it's a swing trade and we could actually refine this level till a lower time frame and look for entries on a lower time frame exactly right here and take a bigger, a huge risk reward trade based on what we saw on the weekly time frame. Let me try to do that. Let me try to come here. Probably trade if you won't be able to provide me the data for like 1 minute time frame, but I think not even 15-minute time frame, guys. For some reason, trade isn't able to provide me with this data. But I think, let's say 4 hour or 1 hour, we can just take a look on 1 hour probably. Yeah, so 1 hour it's available. So here on 1 hour time frame, we can see this move, break of structure right here, internal break of structure right here. So just with this internal break of structure, we can actually just take the trade here and place our stop loss below this low, because we already know that the price is on this demand level. And actually this demand level, I think we can refine it till something like this on the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, it's way more interesting. But this level right here, it's easily, price can easily took this trade out of break even. So let's just run it and let's see what happens, because if price retreats, we can actually look for entries again, but don't look like. So yeah, it looked like price actually from here just start to go bullish. And as I told you, as I showed you guys from the trade I showed you guys on the daily time frame, that was 1 to 3. On this scenario, we could actually take a trade of at least 1 to 6 risk reward. Way more easily, by the way, Yeah, simple like this. You guys can see clearly here, this stock respecting the rules of supply and demand level. Clearly respecting the rules of supply and demand level. Let me, remove this. Let me get out of replay mode. And let me show to you guys other trading opportunities. Here, again, let me clean everything. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see also that price exactly right here, the place I showed to you guys the first possible huge swing trade we could took. And in this scenario, price created this demand level also, okay? So price respected this demand level and created another demand level here. So when price start to go up, we can see a lot of internal range liquidity being created here. And with all this internalized liquidity right here, we can take advantage of this and look for this demand level, because for certainly price will increase at some level to fill this fair value gap. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour time frame again and let's look for entries. I think we could actually take like 5-6 entries just with this demand level, because it's very huge, you know. So here we have the first entry, very clear for me. We have this shift or macro structure, and if this shift when price retraces to fill this fair value gap right here, look, we could take the entry when this red candle start to retrace, place our stop loss value below. But look like this trade would be a break-even trade. Yeah, it will be a break-even trade. It will run this till 1 to 6. You've seen trade, right? 1 to 6 in like from day 8th of March to day 21 of April, actually, from 8th of March to 1 of April. But it would end up being a break-even trade because I will target this high right here, okay? So anyway, we can look for another entry exactly right here when price took us out at break even, and I think it's also very easy to see a entry right here. So here we have this break of structure, price retrace set up on this demand level. So another clear entry, swing trade entry. By the way, we are not taking intraday trades. I'm showing to you guys swing trade opportunities. But if you guys want me to record another video explaining a little bit more, a huge lesson showing intraday trading opportunities, you guys can just comment on the comment section, and if you have enough comment and likes also, I will make sure I record this lesson. Okay, so here we have the second trade opportunity, and you guys can see clearly here a huge 1 to 7 risk reward trade, swing trade from day 1 of July to day 14 of September. Of course, I'm talking about 2022. Okay, so yeah, and I'm pretty sure we have other trading opportunities also on 4-hour time frame, on 15 minutes time frame. But yeah, I think I just recorded this video to show to the guy that asked me this, that it's totally possible to trade every single stock you have in consideration, every single indices, a Adani group. I know a lot of people also ask me about Adani group. So it doesn't matter, the stock, the indices, the FX pairs, the gold, if it's the metal, the commodity, doesn't matter. They all respect the rules of supply and demand, okay? Drop a like, subscribe, watch the video that is on the screen right now, teaching you guys a little bit about my strategy, and I see you guys on the next lesson. Take care, see you soon. Have a profitable trading week. Bye.